friends, myself Diljit, and today I am going to tell you how to make a different kind of mocktails. So here we start. For this we need 1 glass, we need some slice of lemon, a mint, lemon juice, sugar syrup, and I will use Sprite here. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we'll put and few leaves of mint. Then we'll squeeze it. We'll add the sugar syrup here. I used 2.5 tablespoons, so you can choose according to your choice. And again we will squeeze it. I'm using a little bit lemon. And after this, we'll add a Sprite. And for decoration, we'll use a lemon here. Okay. So with the same process, I had taken a lemon juice, again few mint leaves, and I'll add a sugar also, sugar syrup. I added 3 tablespoons. So again you will squeeze it. I have added 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to add the Sprite. Mix it well. And for this, I'm going to take this lemon slice, 1 shake also. I'm going to make an Oreo shake. For that I need an Oreo biscuit, big one, some chocolates, and I have taken the chocolate chips, milk, and ice cubes. So first of all, we are going to cut the Oreo biscuit. I'm going to take 3 biscuits, Oreo biscuits. Going to milk in it, and few ice cubes in it. Our lemonades and our shake, Oreo shake, is ready to